Welcome to Mihi Tutorials. In this video I'm going to give you a demo of multi-drawer. So guys, let's start. Before that, just see the output of it. You can see here that I have taken a grid view, but let's click on the left drawer. Okay guys, it's opening. Okay, so now let's go on right drawer. Okay, so let's build it. Okay guys, so let's take a new project. So file, new project, and drawer multi drawer. Okay, so now let's next. So guys, let's take minimum SDK 14 ice cream sandwich. Next, take empty activity. Okay, so let's finish. Okay guys, so our project is created. So now let's go to this Gradle file, and you can see here that I have import this 3 dependency. Just import it. Now let's go to the activity main file. Now here guys, I'm taking drawer layout, so that's why I'm removing it. So android dot support dot v4 dot widget dot drawer layout. Okay guys, now let's give it background first. Background 1 2. Okay guys, just wait a second. Okay guys, so now we don't want this old action bar, so let's remove it first. Just go to values, tiles.xml, and now I'm changing it to no action bar. Okay, just change the theme. Okay guys, so now you can see here that there is no action bar, but now I'm taking one more layout for creating view. So here app bar. Okay, file name. Now Android, let's take it toolbar. Okay guys, so now let's create it. Okay guys, Control Alter L. Okay, so our toolbar is here. Okay guys, so now let's change its height to action bar size. Let's change its background to okay guys, wait a second. Okay, color primary. Okay guys, so now let's give its ID first. Toolbar. Okay guys, so now I'm taking relative layout inside toolbar to display header in it. So match parent. Okay guys, so now I'm taking image button, giving its width wrap content, and now center vertical equal to true. Now align parent left equal to true. Okay, so now at the last we have to give its background, but for that let's go to new image asset. Now here for action bar and tab icons, let's select click art. Okay, for navigation, yes, it's here. Whatever theme you want. Right now I'm taking custom. Okay, next, finish. Okay, so you can see here that it's added. So here at the drawable I see action name. Okay, so image button is added. Now let's take one more image button. Let's copy it, pasting it here. Now align parent would be right, not left, so align parent right equal to true. Okay, so now let's give it some margin from right side, so 15 dp. Okay guys, so now we have to take one text view to display title. So text view, wrap content, and here text would be multi drawer. Damn. Okay, now it should be the right of, so to right of. Here we have to give its id also, so let's id img left, here also img right, and here also title. Okay, so to write off, here we have to pass the id, so at that id img left. Okay guys, so we have to give margin no center vertical equal to true. Okay, so margin also we have to give from left side, so left, here we have to give 15 dp. Okay guys, it's perfect. So now let's move to activity main file. Here just I'm removing this text view and including layout equal layout app bar. Okay guys, so it's taking full screen. Why? Because here I think we have to take a relative layout, so let's take relative layout and let's set its width to match parent and height to match parent. Okay guys, so now I'm just removing it. Okay, so here below that we have to take one more. Okay, so now it's complete. Now just let's look to here. Okay, so now here I'm taking one grid view. Let's take it width to fill parent and height to wrap content. Okay, so let's give it first id main grid. Okay guys, so now here what we have to do, just give its number of columns to 2, padding 20 dp. Now horizontal and vertical spacing will be 10 dp, so verticals would be 10 dp. Okay, so now let's see what. Okay guys, here you can see here we have to give margin, so margin top here, it action bar size. Okay guys, now it's perfect. Now here I'm taking one more grid view, let's copy it. Okay, change its name to drawer left. It's for the drawer left. Okay, here we have to make just 2 changes. Just remove this, and now let's give it divider. Okay, and now it's gravity. Okay, we have to type it Android layout gravity. Okay guys, so here I'm giving it to the start. Okay, now everything is perfect. Now let's take another grid view for the right side. Let's change its ID, and now we have to set its gravity to end. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, so our activity main file is set. Now let's make a raw file for grid view. So new layout resource file me. Okay guys, so now here guys, instead of linear layout we have to take card view. So android dot support widget dot card view. Okay guys, so now here let's first set its margin to 20 dp. Now let's import this namespace guys. Okay, so now card corner radius to 5 dp, card elevation to 5 dp too. Now background Android let's take it white. Okay guys, now set its orientation. There's no orientation. Okay guys, so now let's take linear layout in it, and match parent. Let's set its orientation to vertical. Okay guys, now in linear layout I'm taking image view. Okay, now set its width to 1 130 dp and height to 130 dp. Okay, now let's set its gravity to center. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's set its margin top 5 dp, margin bottom 5 dp. Okay, so now here I'm taking text view, set its width wrap content, height wrap content, text size to 15 dp, text style to bold, margin top 5 dp, margin bottom to margin bottom to 5 dp. Okay, so now its gravity would be in center. Let's set the text. World. Okay, so now what's left? Oops, guys, let's set its gravity to center. Okay, now it's perfect, but now let's change its height to 200 dp only because we don't move more. So okay, now it's perfectly showing its card. Okay, now guys, there is no image we have added, so we have to add few images drawable. So let's take few images. Okay guys, you can see here that I have taken few images here. So now let's set its background to 5. You can see our output will look like this. Okay, so now all designing part is over. Let's move to coding. So first let's close this all. Okay guys, now let's move to Java file. Okay guys, here let's first build our project. So let's take toolbar. Okay, let's create its object t1. Now let's take drawer layout and drawer layout, creating its object 2. Okay, so now action bar drawer toggle. Here am drawer toggle. Okay guys, so now let's take image button. IMG left, IMG right. Okay, so now we have to take grid view. First of all GV, now drawer left for left side, drawer right for right side. Okay, now let's take context object, initialize it with this. Guys, before we move ahead, we forgot to give ID to our drawer layout. So okay guys, it's already given, there's no problem. Okay guys, so now let's initialize it all. Okay guys, so I have initialized it all. So now let's set the drawer listener for drawer layout. So set drawer listener. Here I'm passing drawer toggle. Okay guys, so now we have to do a like event on both the buttons, image button, image left dot set on click listener. Okay, so now here, guys, we have to check that if drawer layout dot is drawer open. Now here I'm passing mg left. If it is, then drawer layout dot on drawer close. We have to call this method. Oops, let's check. Close drawer, yes, it's this. So now I'm passing img left. Okay, now just copy this and pasting it here again. Now here I'm writing it else if it is not open, then we have to open it. So drawer layout dot open drawer and now pass it img left. Okay guys, now one more, if that drawer from the right side is open or not, we have to check that also. So for that drawer layout dot is drawer open. Here I'm passing the right side drawer, but guys, sorry, my mistake, we have to pass drawer left here. Sorry, I'm passing the image button, which is my fault. Okay, sorry for that. Now let's take drawer right here. Okay, now here if it is open, then we have to close it. So drawer layout dot is drawer, not is, close drawer, and here we have to pass drawer right. Okay, so now it's complete. Now let's do coding on right drawer. Icon dot set on click listener new here. Okay, now just copy this code and simply here we have to change left to right. So drawer right, oops, and here left. Okay, so our code is completed. So now guys, but there is one thing left, that we have to fill the data in grid view. So for that we have to create a adapter class. So let's create new class, custom adapter. Okay, now let's extend it on base adapter class. So let's override its all method, sorry, implements. Okay, so now, but before that have to initialize here a few things. There's cl1 cl2 because there are 3 grids, so I'm creating 3 objects for it. Okay, now int I'm taking an array for images which we have to display in grid, and for title 2 we have to take one array. Okay, now taking one string variable to initialize the string. Okay, now here I'm calling one method get data. Okay, so let's create method get data, and it would be public because we have to access it through the custom adapter class 2, so that's why. Okay guys, so I have initialized it. So now let's go to custom adapter class. Here let's take string array of result, so context also, and array for images. Okay, so now let's generate customer constructor. Let's take all three. Okay, so our constructor is ready. Now here result dot length would be its count. Okay guys, here we have to take one more private static layout inflator to inflate the view. Right now initializing it with null. Okay, now here inflator equal to dot context dot get system service. Now here we have to pass context dot layout inflator service. Okay, now we have to typecast it. Okay, so inflator is okay. So now guys, so now here I'm creating one more class holder and initializing the text view TV and image view IV. Okay guys, what's happening? Oops, we have to take it here. Okay, so guys, now let's initialize the holder class object. So final holder equal to new holder. Okay guys, so now I'm creating view row view. Okay, so now let's initialize the row view equal to inflator dot inflate, and I'm passing here the resource dot, what's the name? Yes, it's our resource name, and now we have to pass this. It's giving error because there's no boolean. Oops, sorry. Here I want to pass null. Okay, so our row view is created. Okay guys, so now we have to set the value in the text view and image view. So for that, holder dot tv dot set text, but before that we have to initialize them. So okay, so row view dot find view by id. Okay, r dot id dot here, what's the name? Actually I think we didn't give ID to text view and image view, so let's first give its ID. Okay, so here ID img1. Okay, and here also we have to give ID to txt1. Okay guys, so now let's use this here. Oops, we have to give it to text view, so txt1. Let's typecast it to text view. Okay, so .img to row view dot find view by ID, and here I'm passing its ID, so img1. Okay, so what's the error? Oops, it's iv. Okay, now it's complete. Okay guys, now we have to set its values, so tv dot set text. Here we have to set the text, so our string array's name would be result of. Here we have to pass the position. Okay, now iv dot set image resource. Here I am passing the img array, passing its position. Okay, now let's set the color of text view. Set text color. Here using color class, I am setting its color to blue. Okay, so guys, here we have to return its row view. Okay, so yes, we done it. Now at last we have to initialize this custom adapter class object, so cl1 equal to new custom adapter. Here first of all we have to pass context object. Now name, and last would be, I think, image. It's giving error, so let's check it. What's okay, so first would be its string name, then context, then mg. Okay, so first would be name. Okay, so next would be context object, and the last would be mg. Okay, so now let's set it into grid view, so gv dot set adapter, and here I'm passing cl1. Now we have to copy this two line, one time, two time. Now here I'm changing its object name to 2, here 3, and here we have to set it to drawer left, and here drawer right. Okay guys, so now let's run. Okay guys, so you can see here that our app is completely running, but let's see here that it's transparent, so we have to set the background for it. So let's go to activity main file. Okay, so now here we have to set its background, so background would be white color, whatever color you want to, just set it. Now here's also to background. Okay guys, so now let's run it once again. Okay, just wait a minute guys, it's installing right now. Okay guys, let's run now. Okay, so let's see. Yes, there's one more mistake I think. Let's solve it. Guys, here instead of wrap content we have to set its match parent. Okay, so here's two. Okay, so guys, now let's run. Okay guys, just wait a second, it's installing right now. Okay guys, so bam, our app is completely running guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please keep liking and subscribing my channel. Yo.